Hello, everybody. Thank you again for coming back for another session of Impulse Coaching. I have my amazing student Lukman here. I wanted to share his amazing story from how he transformed, and I want him to share it. So I'm just going to ask him 3 questions. The first question is, what was your initial impression about driving?
I was like super nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
On
would
a
get
scale
scared.
of 0 being no nervousness, 10 being the highest. Honestly
Like
speaking, 10.
10, yeah.
Okay.
No, seriously.
Yeah.
I would get scared.
What
making
was your
left
biggest
turns.
fear in the car when it happened?
That I would hit something or something would hit me.
And where was the feeling in your body when you had that?
Chest, man.
And
My
you-
heart was gonna burst out.
And do you feel that now?
No.
Good. So after the sessions of the coaching that we've given in, and to focus on the anxiety and the fear removal, how do you feel now about your driving?
I feel good.
Yeah.
I feel confident. Yeah.
How's your mom's perception of what you're driving?
Yeah, she's just a mom, so she'll be nervous.
Of course, because again, they don't have a break, right? So we always tell parents to be careful and calm. Now, last question, what's happening next week?
My road test.
Okay, 3 questions. What do you expect? What do you want to happen?
I want to pass.
What do you expect to happen?
I'm gonna pass.
And what will happen?
I'm gonna pass.
We're going to show you next week how it goes, and wish them good luck, everybody. Thank you so much.